How to fix privacy settings on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will guide you on how you can fix privacy settings on your TikTok account. Open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, go to your profile. You can go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right side of your screen. Once on the profile, you can find three line icon on the top right hand side of your screen. Tap on it and you will get three options: Creator Rules, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. Select Settings and Privacy by tapping on it, and here you can find Privacy option. Tap on it and here you can fix your account. You can either set your account to private by tapping or enabling the blue option on the right hand side of the screen, or you can set your account to public or disable the private account by just simply disabling this. Once you enable the private account, if you want to switch it back off to public account, select the switch option by tapping on switch. This way you can fix your privacy settings on TikTok. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe and comment down if you have any further issues.